Oh, he does that before, look.
I don't know how. Because he watches Handy Mandy on TV. You know how to do the saw, you silly Millie. How you know?
That's why I need to get him with a hammer.
Does he know how to do the saw?
I don't know, that's what I'm asking you.
It must be Handy Mandy.
I think they're needles. Look at that fucking thing.
More. Next. He's so serious.
Hey, how's it? The hammer, Eddie.
These pins, right? The pins are for the tools. The whole thing is tools up. These are, no, don't be diving in there just yet. Look, hey. Just for hanging your tools up. That'll take enough for your shoe. Just stick up your tools. The wrench. Right, hang your tools up. There's a screwdriver somewhere.
And there's the pliers. There's a screwdriver there. These blocks or something.
Oh, turn the hammer around. There you go, baby. Oh, there you go.
There's pliers there, of it. What you need.
Yep. Just make sure that all these are there, because a few of them will be hammered, which I don't think it ever gets set down again.
I tell you. Oh, it was
Just see if we can borrow your hammer.
the hammers are two. I remember thinking this.
I just want to check it. Look, look.
I'm fucking to take a hammer off him. So, the wee pouch goes in there of it, over here. That's what it's called.
What?
Yeah. Wee thing that wee one you need there. Clips into the side here. Yep. Keeps more pins in there. Right there.
There's a wee block, like a brown block.
Yes.
That's a block of wood.
It goes underneath the drill stand.
There's the drill stand, the... Which one's plugging this?
It's in his way now.